To get app update notification from Google Play Store on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Play Store. Tap your profile icon at the top right and then select Setting. Tap General. Tap Notification. Next, tap Update Available. Tap the gray on-off switch next to allow notification until the switch turns blue to turn it on. And then make sure to select Alert. Here you can customize or choose the notification you like to enable. As the example, you can enable Show as pop-up so that the notification will appear as pop-up. When you choose this setting, your phone will allow Google Play Store to send you notification when updates are available for apps. Given to the function, you can choose the setting if you choose to disable auto update apps, but you still want to be able to easily know if there's an update available for the apps you like to keep updated. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.